Hi everyone, my name is Selenium2. Today I'm going to be going over the trace mineral selenium. This is the overview of what I'm going to be talking about throughout the whole presentation. Common name. There are two common names for selenium divided into two categories, organic and inorganic form. The organic form of seleniums are known as selenomethionine and selenocysteine. These can be found in food, supplements, and in our body, while selenites and selenites are found in soil and underground water. History. Selenium is naturally occurred micromineral. It cannot be made inside our body, and we must obtain it through diet. And only tiny amount of selenium are needed to keep us healthy. Seleniums can be both nutritional and toxic, depends on the regions where their food are present. So if the plants are grown in the area where there's a high level of selenium, above 5, these plants could die, and if you consume them, it could become toxic for your body. Well, if the food are grown in the area that are below 5 ppm concentrations, like the western areas and the south as shown in this map, it can be safe for you to consume it. And it is also the ideal concentrations for farming. Food sources. These are the food sources ranking from high to low selenium. So nut, Brazil nut, tuna, cooked salmon, shrimp, chicken breast, roast beef, eggs, cereals, grains, dairy food like milk, cheese, and mushrooms. Serving size. So the upper limit for safe selenium intake is 400 micrograms for adult, and the RDA for the average male and female is 55 micrograms of selenium daily. And then to the right there is a recommended dietary allowance formula for us to calculate the RDA for selenium. So to calculate, you take the total amount of selenium divided by the recommended intake and multiply by 100. So for example, 15 micrograms of selenium in one egg divided by 55 micrograms of recommended intake and multiply by 100, you get 27% of RDA from the egg. Metabolic functions. Selenium is metabolized into selenoprotein. Most of the selenoproteins are an enzyme that act as an antioxidant to protect our cells against damage from free radicals. It also activate and deactivate the thyroid hormone, fight cell damage that may worsen the brain nervous system, and enhance the immune system response and host defense by supporting the production of white blood cells and apoptosis, reducing the chance of having cancers and tumors. And last, improving fertility. Symptom of deficiency for selenium is reproductive problem, weakened muscle, tiredness, confusion in the brain, thyroid issues, hair reductions, and infertilities. Selenium deficiency can also cause a disease known as Cushing's disease. These diseases are related to the heart muscle. And symptom of toxicity including hair loss, skin rash, metallic taste in the mouth, stomach upset, garlic-like breath odors, and nail bitterness. In conclusion, this is the end of my presentation. I hope it gave you a better understanding of the mineral selenium, including its common name, history, food source, metabolic functions, symptom of deficiency, toxicity, and despite the tiny amount of seleniums are needed in our body, I hope you don't overlook its importance and consume the right amount of selenium as part of your daily needs. Thank you. And this is my references.